Hello everyone. In the previous lesson, we learned about the concept of similar sorts and we provided solutions to some questions given to us. In this lesson, we are learning about the rationalization of sorts. Let's begin. Now, let us consider the expression given to us, A divided by root B, where B is a sort. So, to rationalize this particular expression, we are going to multiply the expression by the denominator, which is root b. So we have that this is multiplied by root b divided by root b. So this is giving us a times root b is a root b divided by root b times root b is giving us root of b times b, and this will be giving us a root b divided by root b squared, and we know that square will take out root, so this becomes a root b divided by b. So the idea here is that when you're given an expression that has surd as the denominator, to rationalize it, you are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the surd given at the denominator. So we multiply the expression by root b divided by root b. Now at this point, let's take up some examples that will strengthen this concept. So we are given these 4 questions and we are asked to rationalize them. Now let's start with the first question. So for number 1, we have that 1 divided by root 2. So remember that the idea here is that we are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by root 2. So we have that this is multiply by root 2, multiply by root 2. So at this point, 1 times root 2 is root 2 divided by, now root 2 times root 2 is giving us root of 2 times 2. So at this point, this becomes root 2 divided by root of 2 squared, because 2 times 2 is 4 and 2 squared is equal to 4. So therefore, square will cancel out root. Now we are left with root 2 or divide by 2. Now for question number 2, we have to rationalize root 3 divided by 4 multiplied by root 7. So we have root 3 divided by 4 multiplied by root 7. Now it's still the same idea. We are going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by 4 multiplied by root 7. So first, let us consider how to simplify the numerator. So root 3 times 4 root 7 is giving us 4 multiplied by root 7 multiplied by root 3, all divided by, now at the denominator, we have that 4 root 7 multiplied by 4 root 7. So the integers are going to multiply and then the radicals are going to multiply. So we have that this is 4 times 4 multiplied by root 7 times root 7. Now from the roots of surd, this becomes 4 multiplied by 7 times 3 divided by 16 multiplied by root 7 times 7. Now just to remind you that if I have root of a multiplied by root of b, this is equal to root ab. So therefore at this point, this is equal to 4 multiplied by 7 times 3 is 21. So we have root 21, all divided by, we have 16. 7 times 7 is 49. So this is 16 multiplied by 49. But 49 is a perfect square. So root of 49 is 7. So this becomes 4 multiplied by root 21 divided by 16 times 7. So if 4 come here, we have 1. 16 divided by 4, we're going to have 4. So therefore, this becomes root 21 divided by 28, because 4 times 7 is 28. Now, also from this point here, please recall that if I have root A multiplied by root A, this is equal to root A times A, which is giving us the root of A squared. So square, we cancel out the root, so this is equal to A. So therefore, root A times root A is equal to A. It follows that root 7 times root 7 is equal to 7. So next time, I'm just going to write down the answer, then going through the process. So let us provide the solution for question 3. So for 3, we have that 10 multiplied by root 2 divided by root 5. Now we are asked to rationalize, so we multiply the numerator by root 5 and multiply the denominator by root 5. So first, let us simplify the numerator. So we have that 10 multiplied by root 2 times root 5. So for the denominator, we have 5 times 5. Now for the numerator, we have 10 multiplied by root 2 times 5 divided by, at this point we have root 5 all squared. So this is giving us 10 multiplied by root 10, because 2 times 5 is 10, divided by square, we take out root, we are left with 5. So at this point, if 5 enters itself, we have 1. 10 divided by 5, we are left with 2. So therefore, we have that this is equal to 2 root 10. Let us simplify the last question, which is question 4. We have that 2 multiplied by root 3 minus 6 divided by root 3 plus 3 divided by root 27. To simplify this, we are going to rationalize each of the denominators. So we have that this is 2 multiplied by root 3 minus 6 divided by root 3 multiplied by root 3 divided by root 3 plus 3 divided by root 27 multiplied by root 27 divided by root 27. Again, just a quick reminder that root A multiplied by root A is equal to A. So therefore, this becomes 2 multiplied by root 3 minus 6 times root 3 is 6 root 3 divided by root 3 times root 3 is 3 plus 3 multiplied by root 27 is giving us 3 root 27 divided by denominator is giving us 27. So at this point, we can simplify. 3 can divide itself, and 6 divided 3 is giving us 2. Also, 3 divided itself, we have 1. 27 divided by 3, we are left with 9. So therefore, we have that this is 2 root 3 minus 2 multiplied by root 3 plus, so we have root 27 divided by 9. So these two can cancel out, and we are left with root 27 divided by 9. And we can simplify further because we can express 27 as a product of its factors. So this becomes root 9 times 3 divided by 9. So we have that this is root 9 multiplied by root 3 divided by 9. 9 is a perfect square, so root 9 is 3. So we have 3 multiplied by root 3 or divided by 9. If 3 cancels itself, we are left with 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So therefore, we are left with root 3 divide by 3. Thank you so much for watching. Now that you have understand the rationalization of surds, the next video is conjugate of a surd and how to rationalize a surd using its conjugate. Please do not forget to check out the video, and if you know you found this video helpful, encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Bye.